So for the first assessment, I decided to go for a wizard study room, which you can see here. I really wanted to keep going with this theme and see kind of what kind of storyline I could come up with, or just see how, what kind of rooms that this wizard could potentially use. I got a lot of inspiration from this picture. Big lawn tables, fireplace, very rustic, very medieval. So I decided to go on that theme, but build off from my study room. So I have here. So this is the study I started with for the first assessment. Window, table, cauldrons and things, books, chest, all that kind of thing. And then built the doorways off from this room. So I went through here, just hallway, and some stairs leading down to the living room or dining room. So this is an overview. Some of the stuff may need some resizing for the final one, but yeah, I thought with some windows, chest, I'll have some candlelight. I'm not sure whether it's going to be daytime or nighttime yet. But I have the big lawn table, benches, the fireplace. I added some books and things to add some kind of random look, like it's been lived in, and that the wizard just potentially is reading books everywhere. Down here, I have the fireplace. I have the windows to look outside, chest, and you can go around. There's also another cupboard with some plates and things, and then another doorway leading back upstairs, and down the hallway, and then it leads back into the wizard study room.